2025 Kia EV3, everything we know about the $30,000 subcompact electric SUV. The production version of the EV3 concept is slated for a 2024 release and will adopt the design language seen in the larger EV5 and EV9 models. Kia is steadily expanding its lineup to offer more electric SUV options, following in the footsteps of the flagship EV9 and catering to a broader range of the market. After launching the Sportage-sized EV5 initially in China before introducing it to other markets next year, Kia is now gearing up to reveal a subcompact EV3 in 2024. This upcoming model will feature a modern exterior design and a sustainable, technology-laden interior. The new model was teased through the EV3 concept during the automaker's EV Day event last October and subsequently made its US debut at the LA Auto Show in November. Recent spy shots of camouflaged prototypes from Korea indicate that the production version will largely retain the concept's futuristic and edgy styling, albeit with minor tweaks. As seen in our speculative renderings, these adjustments are likely to concentrate on the LED graphics, the enlarged mirrors, and the choice of materials for the exterior trim. Kia has not officially disclosed the dimensions of the concept, but we anticipate that the EV3 will measure around 173 inches or 4.4 meters long, maintaining a safe distance from the 4,615 mm, 181.7 inches, length of the EV5. It will effectively be a similarly sized offering to the current Niro and Seltos in Kia's range. Depending on the market, the Kia EV3 is expected to compete with rivals such as the Volvo EX30, Smart No. 1, Peugeot E2008, and other similarly sized fully electric subcompact SUVs. The Kia EV3 concept featured a minimalist yet futuristic interior adorned in plant-derived materials and natural fiber structures. Although sustainability is a key factor for modern EVs, it's expected that some of these elements will be refined for the production version. Other changes should include a more conventional design for the steering wheel, the center console, and the dashboard, as well as offering darker upholstery options to cater to a wider range of preferences. Interior design and tech. The digital cockpit in the Kia EV3 may be borrowed from the EV5, featuring dual 12.3-inch screens integrated into a single panel. The infotainment system is expected to support over-the-air updates, OTA, and there may be software-enabled feature-on-demand, FOD, services available as optional extras. Additionally, the EV3 should inherit the latest version of Kia's ADAS suite, known as Auto Mode, which enables semi-autonomous driving capabilities under specific conditions. The EV3 will ride on the Hyundai Kia Group's widely used eGMP architecture, as with the rest of the electric lineup. Unlike the EV6 and EV9, which utilize the 800V architecture, the subcompact SUV is expected to share the more affordable 400V system with the EV4 and EV5. Battery options for the EV3 could include the 58 kWh and 77.4 kWh units. The entry-level EV3 is expected to come equipped with a single electric motor, but it's not out of the question for Kia to offer a more potent version featuring dual electric motors and all-wheel drive capabilities. After all, Kia has confirmed that all members of its electric lineup will be offered in GT guise, which typically means increased power and a sportier chassis setup. Additionally, the EV3 GT could receive enhancements such as a revised body kit and unique interior accents to convey its sporty character. As we approach the EV3's anticipated debut in 2024, we anticipate that Kia will provide additional details about the production version. In the meantime, you can explore speculative renderings crafted by independent designers that are inspired by the concept that previewed the EV3. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting addition to Kia's electric SUV lineup. How much will it cost? Kia's confirmation that its EV lineup will be priced between $30,000 and $80,000 suggests that both the EV3 SUV and the EV4 sedan are likely to start in the $30,000 range when they become available in the US market. This pricing structure is expected to mirror the approach taken with the larger EV9 SUV, providing consumers with a range of options and trim levels. In Europe, it's likely to be positioned above the upcoming EV2 baby crossover, which is scheduled to debut in 2026. Kia has ambitious goals, aiming for annual sales of 1 million EVs by 2026, with hopes to further increase that number to 1.6 million units by 2030.